Yo, what's up guys? B-Boy LMD here and you guys watching Respeto Agulong, and in today's episode, this will be our first time na matetest ride itong bagong version ni Fyro, which is the Fyro 180. So this is the version 2 by FKM Motorcycle Philippines. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Makina Moto Bazaar and Test Ride Consortium. So testingin na natin kung ano nga bang ride experience dito sa bagong Fyro.
Respeto kagulong, di para sa mga duwag, bawat pihit ng gulong, dalay tabang, di usad bagong duwag, mga ilong ng lungsod, parang bituin sa dilim.
Alright, this is our gauge, typical gauge that we had before. And here's our switches, the electric starter and switch on ating headlight. We have a kill switch over here. We got a hazard light this time, high low beam passing light over here, and turn signal and the horn.
FKM Fyro 180. Ito na nga ang bagong version ni FKM mula sa naunang release noon na Fyro 175. Dito sa version 2 ay iba na itsura ng kanyang headlight and tail light. Very futuristic na yung approach at maging sa paint job niya ay very premium looking yung datingan. Just look at it! Mas malaki na yung makina niya ngayon na 180cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, 4-stroke 2-valve single overhead cam, EFI, automatic transmission. May lakas itong 11.7 HP at 7,500 RPM at may maximum torque naman 11.9 Nm at 6,000 RPM. Mababa lang yung compression ratio ni Fyro 180 kaya naman hindi na kailangan pa ng radiator para sa cooling system ng kanyang engine. And having this kind of cooling system doesn't make it a lesser motorcycle than those who are using a liquid-cooled engine. High compression naman kasi sila and perhaps less maintenance pa si air-cooled engine. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so far habang papunta tayo sa venue ng test ride, very evident yung comfortability ng kanyang upuan. It's very comfortable. And sa throttle response naman is kailangan mo lang din talagang i-build yung RPM. 2,500 to 3,000 RPM, sumisibat na rin pala siya. And sa seat height naman sa atin as a 5'4", yun lang, very comfortable, very manageable yung seat height na itong si Fyro 180 rather. Nagustuhan ko din yung texture ng upuan ni Fyro, which is madali lang tayo makapag-switch ng angulo, especially kung magko-cornering tayo, mag-body position tayo, madali lang siya, hindi siya yung didikit sa pantalon natin. Hindi naman siya ganun kadulas, tamang-tama lang para magawa natin yung mga gusto natin gawin dito sa motor na to.
Naka-keyless ignition system na itong si Fyro 180 with an option for a mechanical key if you want. Meron tayo ditong digital gauge with a soft touch button, basic switches with hazard light na din, electric and kick starter, side pocket with USB port for Type A and Type C. Meron na din siyang push button to access our gas tank and under seat compartment. Sa front part niya makikita ang kanyang telescopic fork, disc brake with 2-piston caliper, at tubeless tires na 100/80/14. Sa likod naman naka-dual shock ito with sub-tank, disc brake na din sa likod with CBS at least, at may 130/70/14 inches na gulong naman sa likuran. Not too bad. Si Fyro 180 may seat height lamang na 790mm. Maganda yung texture ng seat cover niya, malapad, malambot, at may bracket na din for top box for extra storage. 105mm ground clearance, 150 kg wet weight, 8.6 liters tank capacity with an average fuel consumption of approximately 35 to 40 kilometers per liter. SRP, 89,000 pesos only.
It's our turn, let's go! There you go. Okay, smooth lang naman yung takbuhan natin. Pagdating sa mga tight corners tulad nito, kung gagamitin natin siya for daily, well, very basic naman siya, walang problema. Okay, meron pa pala tayong mga ganitong obstacle Alright, so far so good. Stop lang daw muna. Okay, braking spot. Given na minamarket na FKM itong motor na to hindi naman for racing purposes, but on a daily ride, I could definitely say na this would definitely hold its own. Pagdating sa low speed, very stable siya. So just in any case na mapupunta kayo sa mga traffic situation, definitely wala kayong poproblemahin dito. Sa braking naman, maganda rin ang kagat ng kanyang brakes, both front and rear. Medyo kabado lang ako dahil basa-basa pa yung ibang part ng kalsada. Hindi tayo makapag-brake check. Yan, pwede na. Yan. Actually maganda yung preno. Gustuhan ko siya. Sa mga kagulong natin na naghahanap ng affordable na motor na pwede nyo magamit pang araw-araw, or pwede rin pang gala at the same time, or pwedeng pang motorcycle taxi if ever, or pang deliver, or kung saan nyo mang gustong gamitin. At ang mahalaga, hindi masakit sa bulsa. Well, this is something na you might wanna consider, si FKM Fyro 180 version 2. Yan.
Imagine in less than 90k ay magkakaroon ka na ng isang 180cc automatic scooter na may napaka-solid na overall design mula sa harapan, sa likod, sa mga mags, suspension, especially sa kanyang paint job and decals ay very appealing talaga aesthetically. Plus pa yung mga features niya na ating nabanggit, sulit ka na dito sa motor na to. Although I do understand na marami pang pwedeng i-add kay Fyro 180, but of course, they would also add up sa price point niya overall. And we guys might not want to spend that much money just for a motorcycle. You know what I'm saying? That is why FKM is keeping their Fyro 180 as affordable as possible, while providing those features na magagamit talaga natin mga riders on our everyday ride. And again, for an SRP of 89,000 pesos only, o diba? May pogi ka ng motor, di pa mabigat sa bulsa. And that's FKM Fyro 180 aka Fyro version 2.
Okay, try pa natin one last turn. And so medyo nabibitin ako dahil ito lang yung iniikutan natin, but okay na din, di ba? At least na-experience natin si Fyro 175, si Fyro 180 version 2. But in any case na magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na mas ma-ride pa siya na mas mahaba, no, why not? And I'm looking forward to it. And I can definitely say na this is highly recommendable para sa mga agulong natin na naghahanap ng motor na, alam mo yan, hindi masakit sa bulsa, and at the same time reliable na din naman, di ba? Dahil subukan na din naman tong sa FKM, since just like what I mentioned earlier, they've been here for a few years now, and so far so good naman ang performance nila when it comes to providing an affordable and high quality motorcycle. So yun, B-Boy LMD here, Prospeto Agulong. I just want to say big thanks to FKM Motorcycle Philippines for this opportunity to road test their one of their latest release, which is the FKM Fyro 180 version 2. And yun, again, big shout out to Premium Gears para sa suot nating air-cooled riding jersey, and also big thanks to Mukam Helmets Philippines para sa suot nating motovlogging helmet. And yes, that should be it for the FKM Fyro 180. B-Boy LMD here, Prospeto Agulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hawak ang manibela, nawi iba-ibang ruta, kalsadang malubak, parang buhay gumagulog, puta, respeto kagulong. Di para sa mga duwag, bawat pihit ng gulong, dalay tapang di usad bagong duwag, mga ilong ng lungsod, parang bituin sa dilim. Bawat syudad na daanan, may kwento't panalangin, bawi sa helmet, ulan o init, walang pake, misyon kung magbigay ng aral, hindi lang kita pre. Respeto sa kalsada at sa buhay, gulo